What is it? Are you so cute? Oh, Carl. You outgrew your red dot on your forehead. I see it's gone. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, he's a good boy. We gotta clean out the flower beds later, Carl, because the frost got them all the other night. You almost stretched one out and you stopped yourself. Oh, it must be the last dandelion of the season. Hey. Wanna sniff it? Yeah? Carl, tell me you love me. Carl? Carl? Uh-oh. 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 Okay, you... Well... Carl, you are the meanest boy on the block. Just always running everybody off. Oh, see? See what I mean? You're mean. Carl, you got stuff on your face. Let me have my arm back. You're tearing me up. Let me go. No, let me go. Carl. No, you're doing it. I'm not doing this. Let me... Carl. You are mean.